Yeah, boy, that was really sweet fruit.
This one is my.
Sorry.
I love that. Yeah.
Increíble, o sea, realmente mejora mucho.
It's so clean on the palm.
Sí.
In our tasting the last few days, Syrah has brought sort of a depth and palate that's we thought's been an interesting addition at 5 to 10%, no more.
But the lychee 5% is easy to put in the papers.
So they said they just told us they would cheat.
85.
We got a winner. People we like, wines we love.
To my Pui, how do you say it, Charles? My
Poo.
Valley.
Mhm.
That's wrong.
Okay.
Lunch was the largest piece of brontosaurus ever. Come on, remember lunch? Literally, here you go. Here's your brontosaurus. Enjoy. Oh, and that was after like 6 plates of little tapas that I thought was good.
We are like Santa Rita's Winery Group or Shara Winery Group, the biggest.
Napa Valley.